This 50-year-old man has unalived his neighbor over one of the most stupid targets. Christopher James Casey of Hatboro was taken into custody on Thursday and charged with one count each of third-degree murder and manslaughter. The victim, Robert Wallace, had been arguing with Casey for quite a while about Casey's 20-minute verbal altercation. Wallace calmed down, went to shake hands with Casey, who, not believing his words, delivered the fatal wounds with a large military knife.